What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kdotcouture, and in today's video I am bringing to you this glueless 5x5 very bomb wig review. So this wig is from Hermosa hair. This is the bag it comes in. Inside of the bag we have a wig cap. We also have an elastic band as well as some eyelashes. So this is what the wig looks like. This is a 5x5 220% density wig. So this is glueless. I will not be using any glue for this install today. As you guys can see, it is the straight texture. This is the inside of the wig. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 combs and an adjustable band. I did go ahead and bleach these knots, and then let's get right into the install. So first things first, I'm just doing a little ball cap. I'm just doing the 5x5 section. I'm probably a little bit more than that, but that's the only part that I'm really like, worried about making a ball cap. So I'm just doing that. I only did 1 layer of this, and then we're going to go ahead and put the wig on. So I already cut that extra cap off. My son is in the back, don't mind him. So now I'm just laying that down. As you guys can see, this lace is melting into my skin before I even get a chance to put anything on it, okay? So I'm just putting it in a bun, and then I'm going to be adding some Got2b spray, and then adding my elastic band. So when you add your elastic band, then I'm going to blow dry over the top of the elastic band, and this is how we're going to not use any glue. This is going to be just enough hold that we need to keep this wig on, as well as using the straps and the combs on the inside. So like I said, I did bleach these knots. So right now I'm just going through, because of course when you bleach a knot, you gotta wash the hair, condition it or whatever. So I still had some hair that was wet on the inside. So now I'm just going in and just blow drying the extra hair that still felt a little bit damp on the inside. And then I'm going to take off this elastic band. So once I take it off, as you guys can see, the lace is lacing, okay? Is definitely giving melt. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start styling this. I'm going to do a I'm going to do a side part. I was going for like Aaliyah. That was the vibe that I was going for. So I'm doing a side part. Of course, I'm using my hot comb and my wax stick just to, like, get that into place. Everything. I'm not doing any baby hairs today. I just want it to be like a nice sleek side part. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to start straightening my hair. All right, so like I said, this is a 26-inch wig, but guys, this is giving every bit of 30 inches. Like, look how far it goes down in the back. Like, what? It's literally like touching my butt. I love it. It is so sleek. The lace is so good. This is what it looks like. It's giving every bit of 30 inch. I am not a short girl. I am 5'5", so yeah, this is like very, very long for a 26-inch wig. I love to get my inches worth, so that's something that is a plus in my opinion. So make sure you guys go check them out. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Kdotcouture. Like this video, comment below, etc., etc. Of course, all the information for this wig is in the description box. So check out Hermosa hair. Follow them on Instagram as well. And that's about it, you guys. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed. Bye.